Okay, last one in this file here. All right, so I've got a triangle. It says is mapped onto ROP using our y-axis followed by a clockwise rotation of 270. All right, so clockwise rotation of 270 first, or sorry, second. I got a reflection first. Having some issues talking here this evening. All right, so let's plot our points. So 8, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. All right, and then I've got U, N, and then apparently I forgot to label that one. It's got to be an M because it says the triangle is UNM. So let's throw an M on there. All right, so UNM. Our y-axis. All right, so the y-axis is right here. So let's reflect it over the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's N. U goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then M goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so then that's U prime, N prime, M prime. All right, so there's that guy. All right, it doesn't say state the coordinates, but again, I always do this no matter what. U is negative 8, 7. N is negative 4, 5, and M is negative 6, 2. All right, so now this is a little bit challenging here because of the way I usually do this. It's not going to look perfect like it usually does, but that's okay. All right, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to screen clip this, and I'm going to try to not get much of that other triangle in there. All right, so I'm going to try to not get much of the other triangle in there. So up to this point, I think every rotation I've done with the computer has not had a Y or an X in it. Okay, now I also did not write down what I'm doing, so let's actually do that first. So it says clockwise, so I'm going clockwise, and 270 is 3 turns. So I'm going clockwise 3 turns. So I'm going to come down here and do that. So I'm going to rotate, all right, and clockwise goes that direction. That's clockwise. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. All right, so there it is. Now, you have to, I'm going to zoom in here for a second. This Y, we haven't had this issue on anything because I haven't been getting the letters in there. So I'm going to scratch that Y out because that's not the Y-axis. The Y-axis goes up and down. The X-axis goes left and right. All right, so even though things moved and that letter was there, it doesn't matter. It's still the same deal we've been doing. All right, so I want to know where U prime double prime is, N double prime is, and M double prime is. All right, so M is negative 2, 6, negative 6. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 5, negative 4, and U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So negative 7, negative 8. So I'm going to go back to my graph, and I'm going to put those on there. So let's put them in black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then negative 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so then this is U double prime. This is N double prime, and this is M double prime. Okay, now with the rotation mixed in there, it does make it a reasonable amount harder because I got more stuff going on, especially when the rotation comes second. But if I'm careful, it's not that bad to deal with.